सार्धपंचशतमानोत्सव इथले एक थ्रिलिंग परफॉर्मन्स दिलाय पंडित निलाद्री कुमार सरांना. तुम्ही ऐकलं उरतलंय नाद लहरी स्पॉन्सर्ड बाय हांग्यू आईस्क्रीम.
यहाँ पे हम जो आए हैं, दिस इज अ प्लेस नॉट जस्ट to come and play. It is like a pilgrimage for us to be here to receive Swamiji's blessings, to receive the blessings of each one of you, because I think there is so much of positivity and there is so much of that charge that is there here, that if a musician comes here with the intention of just receiving, that person gets energized for the rest of the journey that needs to happen. So I am just not thankful, grateful, but I feel I'm blessed to have been born to be able to receive these blessings.
सराला आज फ्लाइट एक बिगिन प्रॉब्लम जन डिले चला.
Basically, all the flights were cancelled. There was no way we could have reached here under any circumstances except for one gentleman, Mr. Ajit Kamatji. He chartered a flight for us. My thank you, pranams to Ajit Kamatji, and I really missed him here, and next time I hope to see him. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your performance today. And we were truly thrilled and amazed by what we heard. You truly transcended us to another dimension totally.
It is, I think, as I was telling, sir, today is just the beginning. I hope to come back at a more humane time and play in front of all of you again and to receive the blessings of all the people here.
Definitely, sir.